Sanbonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. After the latest episode of Izingane Zesthembu, you guys, people are saying that Uthando is pregnant and expecting. Now, I'm sure you're on the screen you'll be able to see the screen grab or the pictures that people took from the latest episode, and Ugel does look like she is, it does look like she's expecting. But then again, guys, remember, we are a generation of imikaba. Or maybe I should not speak for everyone, ne? But yeah, people are like, hi, Bukel, umita jani. Umita, like, how are you pregnant for indoda that basically said, Wuti, ukatele yako. He said he's tired of her VJJ. Quite frankly, he said that he wants new VJJ. So Mitela, that same guy that wants new VJJ, the second child, Tando, ayingeke ngiyakujudge. Ngiyakujudge, I really hope you guys that this is not true. But I've got a feeling that this is true. I need to. We are closing off. We are closing it off. We left with one more episode, if not one. Next week might be the reunion. The next season, next year, that might be the new storyline. Yogutu Uthando has child number 2. Yo, guys, I'm just like, I don't know. Already we complaining with Uthando Agahamde, and at this point, you guys, nothing is gonna get Uthando out of that marriage unless she wants to go. Now that there's money involved, now that Moja Love pays them for their relationship and their marriage, I don't even foresee these people ever leaving one another for as long as they are making money out of it. So now with child number 2, I know Uthando already, she's not, even though she doesn't have the guts to leave, she's not happy in that marriage and she keeps saying, Funukam. But now with child number 2, guys, already she doesn't see Malia, she doesn't see Malia, her money, she's got many people to support. Now child number 2, unless I don't know, you guys. But anyway, tell me what you guys think, because there were some people who actually said they noticed that in Uthando's diary session, she was breathing heavily. And they also noticed that a lot of the shots that they were showing, they did not show like a full body picture of Uthando, like from the front. They'll normally show half body pictures of her, or maybe it will be a full body picture from the back or from the side. And that's where the pictures come from. That is a full body picture from the side. So guys, tell me what you guys think, and because at this point, there's nothing we can do. I mean, like, who do we think we are? If Uthando could get married at that young age, who do we think we are to tell her to leave at this point? She's gonna do whatever she wants to do at this point. Tell me what you guys think. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.